Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sharon.
My name is Jack.
And welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, go ahead, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button for us. Give us a thumbs up so we can continue bringing these wonderful videos to you. Today, we are going to reveal the real secret to financial success. So we will be back with financial tip number 13.
Y'all see this crybaby over here? Well, he's suffering from a broke millionaire mindset, just like some of you. So we got some not-so-average financial tips for you, to fix your thinking. But make sure you hit the subscribe button first, so we can keep them coming your way. We gonna be in your face.
Financial tip number 13. Learn to practice the art of gratitude. This is my gratitude notebook, okay? What I do is write down everything that I am grateful for throughout the day. Any little thing that occurs in my day that I am grateful for, I write it down. And that is what you need to start doing as well. You need to start being grateful for the little things if you want to acquire larger things. Be it finance, houses, marriage, any type of success. If you want to gain, you have to learn to appreciate where you are. And that begins with gratitude. So one way that I keep up with all of these, I just write them down. And I'm telling you, it makes a major difference in your life, What I have noticed about others is that they only tend to say, thank you, when something good has happened. And I understand it's very, very difficult to feel grateful in the midst of heartaches or hard times. But those are the exact times that you really need to show gratitude. And I'm telling you, this will pay off huge for you. And you don't want to really do that just so you can gain something from it, but to have a sense of peace and gratitude, because so many other people don't have the opportunities that we do have, So you've got to start being grateful for every little thing. Take nothing for granted. Take nothing for granted. There are so many other people that wish that they could be in your position. Some people cannot get out of bed. Some people cannot walk. But those people find other ways to be grateful and make their lives more valuable. They make up for that. They find the good in it. And that's what I'm trying to say. You have to look for the good in any situation. If you're having a bad day, somebody's in your face, well, thank goodness that you can hear them nod, your ears work. Little things. This may sound mediocre or silly, but I'm telling you, it is the most essential, the most important thing that you could do. Show gratitude. I'll read to you two things that I've written down in my book. I really do use this book religiously, but little simple things like, my truck started up today. I was able to go where I needed to go. Thank you. Take nothing for granted, people. Take nothing for granted. Oh, here's another one. My boss, I won't name his name, but you know who you are because you're watching. My boss spent all day in classes. So we were ecstatic, but that's something to be grateful for. He was in a class. He was not hurt or injured, but we had such a great time. Thank you. Any more classes coming up? But this is what I'm talking about, guys. Just be grateful for, or show gratitude for every little thing. And those things will be multiplied. You will start to really, really see success in your life and things change for the better, okay? And even when you're at your worst, that is the time to really rise up and give thanks, okay? Because if you are not dead, if you have not stopped breathing, then there's still time. There's still hope. It's not over. So be grateful for that, because so many others don't have the opportunity to redeem themselves or go on like we can. So anyway, that's all I'm going to talk to you guys about today. Show gratitude. Go out and get you one of these books, okay?
Okay.
You know you can't read, but I'm grateful for them. We will see you guys on the next video number 14. But hey, don't forget, go ahead and hit subscribe for us. Give us a thumbs up and share, please. Okay, and we'll see you guys next time.
I hope y'all loving these videos. I ain't trying to waste time looking cute, man.